Beg your pardon, sir. That bank over there, is that where those outlaws were ambushed?
It surely is, sir.
You were right. Outlaws. Makes me nervous about depositing our cash there.
Gentlemen, you are looking at the safest bank in the state. Why, every businessman in town is a member, and at the first hint of trouble, no outlaw in the territory would even think about it. Not after the way we handled that younger gang.
You were part of that?
I was first to spot him. I guess I just have an eye for trouble.
That's definitely the bank for us, then.
For sure. Oh, no. The good side is that he couldn't spot an outlaw if they took a dump in his hat. Bad side is he just proved it. No. 2 riders. One on the left. That's J.D. Kincaid. One for bank robbery in 4 states. Hope he didn't spot me. His gang must be in town somewhere. He wouldn't be dumb enough to try and take that bank with just 2 men. That's different.